Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to compare two lists using conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. Here is a two list. I just select cells and type the name list 1, and I also select this range and select this range and type the list 2 name. And now I want to compare these lists into this list and find out which name is not available in this list. Just select the cells and now go to the conditional formatting, and here is a new rule, and select the use a formula to determine which cell to format and type the formula. Type is equal to countif bracket on and this name. This is a list 2. Countif list 2, comma, from this cell. This is a B8 cell. B8, this cell is equal to 0. Is equal to 0 means it's not available in this list. Countif list 2 through B8 and is equal to 0 means not available in this list. And format, just apply the format yellow and click OK. Now only those names highlighted which are not available in this list. If you want to highlight those names which are listed in this list, you have to just go to the manage rule and double click here and just type here 1. It will only show those names which are available in this list. That's why you can compare two lists using conditional formatting. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.